Hello, Red back again. Try and make this nice and short and free. I have a degree in alternative energy, so I spend a lot of time thinking about and researching the difference between economics and physics and where they come together, where they branch apart, how they interact. And I try and look at things as unified as possible. I'm going to try and show you why I don't believe money and energy are two separate systems. I believe they're the same thing. Okay? I'm going to break this down a little bit here, okay? Basic definition is we're going to look at work, the ability to do work. A photon, or a little piece of light, if you don't know physics too much or don't pay attention, is just, it's light in motion. It can hit something, excite it, make it do work, okay? Money, I think, is the same thing. It is a piece of value in motion that can interact with different people or objects different ways and give people incentive to do work. I look at it as light excites objects, money excites people. They both produce activity, okay? Don't know why I got the medicine ball here. I'm going to talk about storage of both of them. Assume for a second this is a particle of some kind, right? Say like electron, atom, something, okay? Usually what happens is you'll have a low energy state, doesn't have much going on, and a high energy state where it's very active. Okay, bam, something comes in, smacks into this sucker, like another photon. It absorbs it and increases its energy state, okay? Now from there, it's going to at some point come back down and release its energy out as another photon, or something, you know, crazy quantum physics, but we're just learning photons right now. Light. It's going to release light, which can go and do work, okay? Now here's my other counterpart to this, is the bank. This is my bank account, okay? You see it's a paper plate. It's kind of, I'm broke at the moment, okay? So, got $1 coming in, okay? See here, $1, okay? I put this in my bank account, okay? Actually, it's a 5. But it goes to a higher energy state now. It has more potential value, more potential work that can be done with it. But it can't have anything done. It's in storage right now. Now, just like the particle and the photon, this is going to come back down to a lower energy state at some point and release my money into a form that's usable. This will go in my pocket, transition around, I'll give it to somebody else, I'll go to somebody else, just like a reaction of molecules, protons and photons and things doing some craziness that they do. Or, you know, it falls on the floor and gets lost. It's like friction or something like that. You can't get it back. But I think that's a fairly similar example that I can explain in a couple seconds of how they are similar. That's the short version of it. I'm hoping that it'll give you a bit better idea of how you have value in storage, energy in storage, value in transition, and energy in transition, and how they're really not that different, and in a lot of situations can be interchangeable. We look at money being turned into energy, being turned into value, being turned into work, all these situations like this. I'm just hoping you can look at it, try and find your own viewpoint, and hopefully learn how to use them both a little bit more efficiently. I'm Red. Here's the credits. Have a nice day, y'all. Happy people.